Welcome again to an applied chemistry lecture series in electrochemistry. In this session, we will discuss about batteries. So, what is a battery? A battery is an arrangement of several electrochemical cells connected in series that can be used as a source of direct electrical current at a constant voltage. A cell contains a single anode and a cathode, but a battery contains several anodes and cathodes. What are the requirements of a good battery? A good battery should be light and compact for easy transport. It should have long shelf life when it is being used and not used. The voltage should be appreciably constant during its use. Electrode reaction, for example, when you consider the batteries are two types when you talk about this. Mainly, we can classify them into three, but primarily it is two. We can discuss about all the three. Primary battery, or we call it as primary cell. Here, the electrode reaction cannot be reversed by passing an electrical current. The reactions are possible only once, and the battery will be dead after the use. They cannot be recharged again and again. Once it is used, that should be discharged. A dry cell, a mercury cell, are all of these types. So what about a secondary battery? Here the electrode reaction can be reversed, or in a simple way I can say it is a rechargeable batteries, the batteries which we use in the laptop and mobile phones, etc. So these are known as storage cells or accumulators, lead acid battery, nickel cadmium battery, or these examples. Flow battery, the reactant product and the electrolytes continuously passing through is. So when it continuously flow, we call it as flow battery, or we call it as fluid cell, where in which the hydrogen and oxygen undergoes a reaction without any combustion, produces energy. So primarily, we can discuss about two types of batteries and their differences. Primary battery, secondary battery. The primary battery or a primary cell is a one where the reaction can be reversed. The cell reaction can be reversed. Sorry, it is irreversible. Primary batteries are irreversible batteries. Secondary batteries where the cell reaction is reversible. The primary battery must be discarded after the use because it cannot be used again and again since we can't able to reverse the reaction. Secondary batteries can be used again and again because of its rechargeability. They are relatively short life. Primary batteries have relatively short life. Secondary batteries have long life. Primary batteries function only as a galvanic cell, but secondary battery function as both galvanic cell and electrolytic cell, where a galvanic cell in which chemical energy is converted to electrical energy, and the electrolytic cell in which electrical energy is converted to chemical energy. Primary batteries, they cannot be used as a storage devices, but secondary batteries can be used as a storage devices. Primary battery, they cannot be recharged. Secondary battery can be recharged. Dry cell is an example of primary batteries. Lithium magnesium oxide battery, lead acid battery, lithium ion battery, nickel cadmium batteries are the examples of secondary batteries. So here we discussed what is a battery, what are the requirements of a good battery, What is a primary battery? What is a secondary battery? What do you mean by a four battery? And differences between the primary secondary batteries. Hope you understand. Thank you.